Hi folks, experimental. Uh, Back on three colours. This one is indigo, alizarin crimson and cadmium yellow pale. Watercolour. Fabrian, Saunders Waterford cold pressed £90 paper. We're doing sort of tutorials in mistiness, creating an illusion of there being a lot going on when there's a minimum of painting. Ideal for beginners. I used to do these many years ago, and once again, good old Alan Owen, he's sort of put me onto these, he's doing them, just to show how simple painting can be. So I'll do several. Not like painting really. Right, now we get some mix up. I'm going to mix up a bit of the yellow, and a bit of the alizarin. Just put that peachy colour on. Put that in the water. A bit stronger. These are just Cotman watercolours. But we want that in the water there. Alright, now we're just the alizarin and the indigo. Get a good thick mix. Just similar to what I've just done, but similar to one Alan did. But it just goes to show how simple these things can be. And I did these over 40 years ago, when I was relying on books. There were no videos back then. Let's get that over there a bit. I've changed my setup for this, my easel. Alright, okay, just put it tight. We'll get in with some distance, and we want to get some reflections in this. So we'll put in, just have a bit of indigo and yellow in my sort of river Wandle. Darken it with a bit of alizarin. Bit of colour. Bit of distance in here. The river goes around the bend, and we'll put in a bit of a bank in here. Going down, and some lighter trees. In here. I'll get the banks in. Bit of colour, but only using three colours. Distant. The river Wandle, my river Wandle. Bit of this and that. Warmer coming into the foreground. And I might even use a bit of stipple in this. Right, get some nice depth in this here. Pull out those hairs. Imagine that's Poulter's Park on the right, where the river Wandle flows into the... Oh, it's just beautiful. Got some of that shadow colour in here. So that's in reflection. That is much nearer to us. Some yellow on the outside of that, like another misty morning. Right, okay, let's reclip and start fiddling about with it now. So that is, anybody can do what I've just done. Anybody at all, anybody. All I've done is 3 colours. It looks like there are dozens of colours on there. And we can just not a great paper for lifting out this this one, but there's no reflection there. There's a bit there. Right, just going to get this 3/4 flat. Just if I can start lifting out a bit of a line across here. It will fill in, but I'll just keep working at it. Okay, that'll do for that. Right, I'm going to dry it off now. I don't want to put any more stuff in there yet. So here we go. Get a hairdryer. Talk about happy accidents. Look, we've got the sun, we've got the moon there. That's just where water blob has gone on there. Unlike acrylic, watercolour dries much lighter than when you put it on, so you have to make allowances for that. So let's just see if we can lift out some of that. Damp brush. Just a little bit of light coming on there, look. Right, so let's get a sponge, clean it out. And we just put a little bit of texture here and there. So a bit of yellow, bit of indigo. Well, because the sponge has got a sharp edge, you can do the sort of reeds and stuff. As Sean Scully's say, if I could do it, anyone can do it. Just a bit of bang here. Just an illusion of detail, just a lot going on when in fact there isn't. Right, a bit darker than that. Mix those three colours. Let's get some in there, in the depth of this. And a bit in here. Right, I don't think we need to do any more than that. Come on, little brush back again. Damp, just go a bit under there. Look, just those horizontal lines just give the illusion of ripples. Okay, that'll do. So that's nice and soft. We can put in some faint rigger work now. Just that blue, bit of blue, just coming up here. Just a sort of a shadow colour. Well, anybody could do this. Plenty of water on the brush. I'll leave that. A few birds maybe. Coming into land. Right, the signature. Now, how difficult was that? I'm going to put it in a mount and have a look at it. Bit of tape. Let's. I hope you saw some of that mixing, but that's all I've used. Just 3 primers really, a blue, a red and a yellow. It depends what primers you use. There we are. That looks nice on anybody's Christmas card. Just adjust that a little bit round. Right, what I'll do, I'll move the camera in so it's more square. Come on. I think a bit of oil wouldn't go amiss on this. So there's the palette. There's the painting in its mount. So mist over the Wandle. It's a bit heavy there, but don't know what to do about that. But you get these accidents. That's a happy accident. Didn't intend that. Right, okay. Well, that's two I've done. I'll do one for Patreon, I think. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.